To turn on Hey Google on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll all the way down and go for the Google. From here, go for all services, search Assistant and Voice, and from here, go for the Google Assistant. From here, you'll simply have to go for the voice match, and right here is the function Hey Google, and simply press the switch to enable it. And from here you will have to configure this Hey Google, so let's quickly go through this setup. Let's press agree, and more agree, and oh no, actually we don't have to set it up, it's just enabled currently, and yeah, just like this. Alright, so now let's try it. Hey Google. Hey Google. It's not working for some reason, but after it turned on this function, it should be working. Additionally, if it's not working for you, let's try and go for the settings right here and go for the apps, and right here go for the permissions, and we will try to permissions again, and we will try to grant the microphone permission for the Google application. And as you can see, there's no Google application right here, so let's find it real quick. This application, this Google, and allow all the time. Is it right here? Only while using the application. Alright, so let's maybe try again. Hey Google. Oh, right now it's working. So what you have to do is just simply, in case it's not working for you, you'll have to go for these permissions and allow Google application to use microphone. And that's it.